while hyaluronic acid deeply hydrates this contained rice. Why I chose this moisturizer? Because I also want to test it out some Indian skincare. Irritated after moving to India. Same goes with my hair. Like you can see the texture of my hair, they are really frizzy. But the main problem is that everything that I used in Canada feels like a bit too heavy for my skin as well as for my hair, and also the weather conditions are extremely different and it's taking me like forever to adjust in these weather conditions. My skin, hair, body, everything is suffering. So I was like, what better time than comparing the products that are suitable for my skin in these weather conditions and the ones that are like extremely oily or not good for this humid weather conditions. So here I am with a video where I'll be testing two moisturizers. One is basically an ampoule and another one is a moisturizer. So the moisturizer that I'm talking about is from the house of Simple, and also I'm trying a lot of Indian skincare as well because I do have experience with the Korean skincare and I do bring a lot of Korean skincare with me, but I also want to test it out some Indian skincare since I'm here in India and they do have like advanced skincare now in India. So let's come back to the topic. We're gonna test out the Simple moisturizer, which is this product right here, and I'm gonna compare it with a Haru Haru ampoule, which is this one. Now this is my favorite product because this contains rice, which is already so good for your skin, and I'm gonna compare these two because they have kind of similar texture also. This one is an ampoule but it is quite moisturizing and I'm unable to use it underneath a moisturizer as of now because it's too heavy for my skin. When it comes to the Simple moisturizer, I love this moisturizer for the Canadian winters, like when it's not proper winter. It's especially for the months of October to November, it's a perfect moisturizer for that season. But now in India's humid heat, it's a completely different game here. Why I chose this moisturizer? Because this is still somewhat lightweight in texture, and I'll do a split face test and we're gonna check back in a few hours, so stay till the end of the video to see what they actually looks like side by side after a few hours. The main ingredient in the Simple moisturizer is glycerin, provitamin B5 which is panthenol, vitamin E which is an antioxidant, and this product is also fragrance free, color free, and also harmful chemical free. At the same time, there is no fragrance, no harsh colors, and no chemicals in it. Talking about the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Ampoule, main ingredient in this include fermented black rice extract, which is amazing antioxidant for your skin. This also helps fight free radicals, brightens dull skin, and support your skin barrier. While hyaluronic acid deeply hydrates by pulling the moisture into your skin, and glycerin on the other hand is a humectant which keeps your skin moisturized and smooth. So Haru Haru Wonder is all about hydration, moisture, and antioxidant rich formula. In fact, the black rice extract present in this product protects your skin from environmental stress, while hyaluronic acid locks in hydration without heaviness on your skin. While talking about the Simple moisturizer, it is a no fuss moisturizer with glycerin and panthenol, which helps in calming your skin, but I feel like it's creamier and it's perfect for like drier climates rather than hot. So the key difference is that Haru Haru Wonder is a lightweight hydration plus an antioxidant protector, and as it is a gel ampoule, it's better for the humid conditions. Simple moisturizer on the other hand provide barrier care and smooths your skin. So that's what the key difference is. Now I'll be back by the end of the day to see if this actually works or not. So this is what they look like side by side. Both of these are really lightweight moisturizer and ampoules. I will say oily skin, go for the Haru Haru, and the dry skin, Simple moisturizer is perfect for you. So that's all that I wanted to share in this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this one. And since I'm in India, I'm trying a lot of homemade recipes as well. Yesterday only I made a homemade face wash. So I'm gonna share all the homemade recipes very soon because I also want the glow up before my wedding. So stay tuned for that. Till then, bye-bye. Bye.